Well, it's dark and snowing out, and Liliana and Amy went out for a hike. I thought it would be all sneaky and kind of surprise them out here, but unfortunately I ended up getting lost on our own property. Because the snow is so wet and thick, it's very difficult to move around in without snowshoes. It's also very difficult to move with the snow thrower we have. Great. There's their track right there. Now I can find them.
Having had this wood stove for less than 6 months, we were really surprised to hear a cracking sound. I feel like our cabin life experience is really helping us out. It only took us about an hour and a half to change out the firebox and the wood stove and get it up and running because we are still in Alaska winter here. We reached out to Morso, the manufacturer of the wood stove, and we have yet to hear a response back. I'm gonna laugh if this $300 wood box fares better than...
Fares better. Like, haha laugh, or they're coming to take me away, haha.
I don't know at this point. Ask me next week. That was my fault. I will take the blame on that one.
All right, cool. That's done.
Okay. Yeah.
After swapping out the broken wood stove for the firebox we had in reserve, we still had to run into town to get some water. We do have a well, but we use it for non-potable stuff right now. After almost 2 feet of snow in 2 days, we decided that we needed to take advantage of the break in weather to go into town. This is always fun.
I know. You got me this time. Here we go.
Type in the volume of water and press enter. 2, 0.
Here we go.
Okay.
Activating pump.
Well, that wasn't so bad. I mean, I've yet to transfer the stuff. Do you want me to spray down the car real quick?
No.
Look at this!
You're doing a good job.
I know, this is one of my better times. Who needs a gym? Ooh! Apparently I do because... Oh!
You won the water main.
We all did because we get to drink water.
Yeah.
Now it's time to get some firewood for the firebox.
I don't know why I didn't go around. The easy way.
Yeah.
I had to go the hard way. Dumb.
It did take a little while to find the right mound of snow that was hiding our firewood. We have several mounds around the property, and it just took a while to find the right one.
So this is like a treasure hunt because, you know, we didn't have a wood shed, so we had to, you know, pile wood in various places. And then when this much snow and ice falls, you're like, well, where do we put that cord of wood at? Because it looks like this, you know.
Oh, right here's the wood.
Yeah, I know. But I can't. I guess I could go on this side of you. Oh, I love it.
So what was that, a wood shop's priority? Wood shed?
Wood shed, yes. It is absolutely a priority for next year. Yeah. I still can't believe I went through those trees instead of going around. I guess I do that when I hike too. Juliana does the same thing. Woo! I lost my shovel.
Did you? Would you let go?
I'm just kind of slid. The momentum was there. That's how strong I am. It just kind of went.
Oh my gosh! I really dig you.
I'm gonna contemplate that for a while.
That's why I wanted the wood right here.
What's that?
That's why I wanted the wood right here.
I love this idea because the Arctic entry's there.
Yeah.
I think. Where does it end down here? Big hunt for adults. Right there.